So Adobe Bridge can be used to manage out your files just like a regular file explorer as well. Let's say, for example, you want to go ahead and move your files from one place to another. For example, over here on my 222 drive right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around onto my drive where I maintain my files. You can see that I got some files over here on the root folder. So what I can do is I can simply go ahead and click and drag this out right here into another folder right here. And I can simply move it in right here, just like this, as you can see. So I can simply go around and then move these out wherever I want. I can also go around and right click right here and then choose move to as an option right here. And I can choose the recent folders right here, just like this, or I can go around over here onto a particular folder of my choice. Let's say, for example, I can go around, simply choose the root folder right here, just like this, and then around over here you'll be able to see the files right here. So this is how you can simply go around and move out files as well. So you can simply go around and click and drag multiple files right here and move it out into any folder as you like right here, like inside of temp files, and all of those files will be moved inside just like that. And that is how you can move files by using Adobe Bridge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.